visiting Manipur, the key attraction is Loktak Lake. Situated about 48 kilometers away from Imphal, it is a beautiful stretch of water resembling miniature sea islands. Keibul Lamjao National Park, the only floating national park in the world, is located in Loktak Lake. Boating is the best way to explore the lake. You can see the fishermen cast the nets and visit the fisherman village in the vicinity. Tourists can book a homestay along the lake to get a first-hand experience of life by the lake. Stay back to enjoy the splendid view of the sunset.